Hello friend and hello everyone. So now good evening, and now I'm in front of my classroom. So because now I feel my body is not good because I'm headaches. Maybe because I'm sleep in time prayer asar, maybe because I'm very sleepy. So I'm sleep in after asar. So I'm get up, woke up. So I'm very headache, guys. And so everyone, uh, usually now I'm teaching, but I because my body is I feel my body is not good, so I'm give student question, and my student answer my question, guys. So now I wanna complete my segment. So maybe I wanna break now after teaching. So because my body is not good. So in tomorrow I'm lot of working. So now I wanna I wanna break, guys. Dado, banyak orang di sana jadi continue my video, guys, because uh, I have problem. I see the student not in class, so I give student vitamin. Never let show. Ground to know all these things we do. It's a matter of coming up to reach the sky. Oh, to all person so it's true, yeah. It's a matter without coming on you. I'm sorry, guys, because my sound is not good, so it's bad. Yeah, because I'm very like to the song from Avenged Sevenfold, guys. So I'm always in every day I'm listen the song Avenged Sevenfold because this song is very is good. So very nice. I think it's so good and very good. Bayu, tahu macam-macam, coba belajar tuh. Parah dah pintar lalu. Jangan ribut, jangan ribut. Hei, popok sikit-sikit bare. So guys, my student is very nice, so I'm angry to my student, guys. Sorry. So everyone now in morning I'm go to Padangara, guys. So So because in tomorrow I'm not of working, and maybe I'm not in school, so maybe I'm in home, guys. And maybe in night I want a permission to headmaster and head school and order for go home. Lah, Sad, Sad, berlari. Hei, ngapain tinggal masuk kelas? Hah? La ilallah, beta budun. Ente lo, Ente. But all this thing we do, it's a memory I'm coming to just sky. Say my goodbye, my all to you now. And I'm very like for the song Gunslinger. So this is the song about love, and I'm very like to song Danger Line. So it's very perfect to song about love. And I'm very like to song Little Fish of Heaven. So this is the song Sad Story, and this is Sad Story is very nice. And yeah, good idea for this Sad Story, guys. And I'm always and sometimes I'm listen the song so far away, because this is a perfect song for drummer in Avenged Sevenfold, and this is the song is sad, guys. So gol dia. Em kembali gol kembali angka. Hah? Yang pahit mah. Apa yang pahitannya? Coba tebak. Coba tebak dulu. Sat. Ada mah. Pahit. Ngajar hukum apa pelajaran? Iya nih tahu. Ini tahu. Mah. Iya, nih tahu karena kamu no kan no ame, beli kiri, mana? No ame lagu dia tahu apa-apa. Ya Allah, pinang nggak kita harap. Hal basic dia tahu, namun dia dalam milik bahasa Arab. Jalan, aneh. Lagi rum, madan sading nih, madan. Lagi sedang aku ini mana? Hah? Apa? Dek. Pagigi mah. Ini dari kanan. Kenapa kotak? Cocok, guys. Dari yang mel tuh ya Allah. Pakai kacuan, karena istilah tingkah gara-gara. Mampu. Baris. Ani baca teh ani. Okay guys, thank you for all of you because I'm watching my video. So now I wanna kill my student. because my student a lot of working, so not uh, not following my instruction. Okay, see you next time.